I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your devices are actually synced to the same iCloud account. This is why sign-in matters. Once signed in, enable iCloud Photos on each device so the library uploads and merges. If you're on a Mac, open Photos and check Preferences iCloud. On iPhone, use Settings. Make sure devices finish backups and are on Wi-Fi and plugged in so large, older libraries have time to appear before you search. Now you search and narrow down the library. Type year, place, or subject into Photos search to quickly pull old shots. Once done, switch views, albums, moments, people, because older images often surface under event groups rather than raw chronology. Make sure to check imported folders or device folders if you manually moved photos. Also open recently deleted and hidden albums. Sometimes older photos were archived or hidden. Finish by recovering or exporting. If you find the images, restore them from recently deleted or export originals from iCloud. COM or Photos File Export. If photos are still missing, check your iCloud storage and any messages about overflow or alternate Apple ID because duplicates or old accounts hide content. As a troubleshooting tip, force a sync by signing out and back in, toggling iCloud photos, and rebooting devices. This often pushes delayed uploads and resolves mismatched libraries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.